Hello, dear students. Welcome to your MSc class. How are you all? Hope all are keeping good and well. Today, we will move to our new lesson number 4. It's about nature. So, all of you take your MSc book and let's read together. All of you take page number 14, lesson 4. Okay, children, what is the heading of the lesson? Love nature. What is the heading? Love nature. Let's go to the lessons together. All of you read with me. Beautiful nature is a gift of God. We are alive because of nature. We must love it and take care of it. Otherwise, we shall perish. You know, children, nature, it is a gift of God. We just look around. Without nature, our survival is not possible because nature gives us the air to breathe, the food to eat, and the water to drink. So, it is our bounden duty to save the nature always. When we hear the chirping of birds or when we see the beautiful flowers, how good it is, है ना? जब हम से बर्ड्स का आवाज़ सुनते हैं, अच्छा फ्लावर्स देखते हैं, फ्रूट्स देखते हैं, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना? If we are not protecting the nature, we lose all these things. So it is our duty to save the nature. We, the humankind, are blessed with this beautiful nature gifted by God. हम really we are blessing because God has given a beautiful nature to us. The sun gives us heat and light. सूरज हमें रोशनी देते हैं. The air we breathe in, the water we drink, the food we eat, all are given by nature. हम जो पानी पीते हैं, जो खाना खाते हैं, जो ऑक्सीजन हम लेते हैं, ये सब हमें ये नेचर से मिलते हैं. The fish, the birds, the animals, the butterflies, the flowers, the fruits, what not nature gives us. We must be very thankful to nature. Fish, birds, the animals, the food we eat, the butterflies, the flowers, the air to breathe, the animals, everything is given by nature. So students, it is our responsibility to take care of it and we must be thankful to the nature always. We enjoy the beauty of hills, waterfalls and jungles. We enjoy seeing different birds and butterflies. We enjoy the journey of rivers and vast seas. We enjoy eating delicious fruits. We enjoy the fragrance of beautiful फ्लावर्स. ये अच्छी सीनरीज हम बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं ना, बर्ड्स को देखना, बटरफ्लाइज को देखना, ऐसे नदी देखने के टाइम और अच्छा फ्रूट्स देखने के टाइम, वो अच्छे फ्लावर्स देखने के टाइम, इट इज़ वी all enjoy all these things. You just see this picture of this nature, how beautiful it is. If we get a chance to go to like this place, how we will be enjoying. You just imagine, as this is the beauty of nature. Okay. We can't survive without air or water. हमें पानी और वायु के बिना नहीं जी सकते. The sun gives us energy to work and play. सन का हमें क्या देते हैं? द एनर्जी टू वर्क एंड प्ले. हमें खेलने के लिए और काम करने के लिए वो एनर्जी it is given by the sun. Our vehicles, their fuel, factories, machines, etc. are all are made of the materials that nature gives us. When we look around, so many vehicles are running, so many factories are running. This we are using is some, when we see it is made by the human being, but the materials from where we have, from where we get all these materials, it is all these materials are given by the nature. इसका जो materials, हम जो गाड़ी है और जो machines देखते हैं, जो factory चलते हैं, सब में उसका जो materials, उसको जो बनाने के लिए जो materials हमें प्रकृति से मिलते हैं. We get our building materials from earth. The fertile soil gives us different crops. We enjoy different types of foods and drinks. We wear all kinds of beautiful clothes. हमारा जो मकान का जो materials, that also given by the nature. Then fertile soils हमें अच्छा वेजिटेबल सब लगा के उसका crops, it gives us different crops. We enjoy different types of foods and drinks, different kinds of fruits, vegetables, different kinds of drinks. This everything, it is given by the nature only. We wear all kinds of beautiful clothes, different kinds of clothes we are wearing. The basic materials of these clothes, that also given by the nature. But what are we human doings? We are polluting air, rivers, seas and soil. We are cutting forest. We are making our animals and birds harmless. We are engineering the earth by nuclear weapons. We are digging deep inside the earth for petroleum and other minerals. हमें ये प्रकृति सब कुछ देते हैं, but what we are doing, we are polluting it. We are polluting the natures. We are polluting the air, water and the soil. जो अच्छा पेड़ है वो सब हम काटते हैं, हमारा बेनिफिट के लिए हम सब कुछ करते हैं. वी आर नॉट taking care of the nature. When we cut the trees, what is happening? We are making the birds and animals homeless. उनका जो घर है वो सब हम नष्ट करते हैं. देन न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स बनाते हुए एक पूरा नेचर का हम पोल्यूट करते हैं. वी आर डिगिंग डीप इनसाइड अर्थ एंड पेट्रोलियम और मिनरल्स लेने के लिए हमें से ज़्यादा डिगिंग करके प्रकृति का पूरा नाश करते हैं. Even now we have the time to reduce air pollution. We must stop throwing garbage and the flow of chemicals into the rivers. We must stop cutting forests. We should protect wild animals and birds. We should look for alternate source of energy like solar energy and wind energy, etc. Now also it's a chance for us to save the nature, to reduce the pollution. इसमें हमें क्या कर सकते हैं? हमें जो वेस्ट सब हम नदी में डालते हैं ना, दैट वी हैव टू स्टॉप. हमारे आसपास डालने का वो, दैट वी हैव टू स्टॉप. वी हैव टू कीप अ डस्टबिन एंड वी हैव टू कलेक्ट ऑल द waste materials there. Then we have to destroy it. So we must stop throwing this garbage and the flow of chemicals into the rivers. Then we should look for alternate source of energy like solar energy, wind energy, etc. Okay, you just see this picture, how polluted it is. All the trees were cut. Just you compare the both picture. First one we see the beauty of nature, and the second one the polluted earth. How painful it is to see, no? So children, it is our duty to save the nature. Okay. Every citizen must plant a tree at least once in a year. Planting of more and more trees will ensure a clean and green earth for future generations. Immediate steps should be taken to stop air and water pollution. We love our parents because they fulfill our needs. We should also love nature because it takes care of all our needs and helps us live. The more we love God's creation, the more it will serve us. Yeah, it is our bounden duty to save the nature. So, what we have to do? We have at least once in a year we have to plant a tree. Okay, children, you have to inspire your parents too, your relatives too. अपन सबको बोलना है at least once in a year you have to plant a tree and you have to nurture it. Then you have to take care that your surroundings are clean and neat. When we start from our home, it will spread to others also. Like that we can reduce and we can stop the air and water pollution. You know, all of you are loving your parents very much and you listen to them and you obey them. Like that you have to love the नेचर तो हम अपने पेरेंट्स को जितना आदर करते हैं जितना प्यार करते हैं वैसे हम हमारा प्रकृति को भी प्यार करना है बिकॉज द नेचर गिव्स अस द थिंग्स दैट वी आर इन नीड ऑफ. ओके, द मोर वी लव गॉड्स क्रिएशन द मोर इट विल सर्व अस. हम कितने प्रकृति ईश्वर का एक क्रिएशन है. हम ईश्वर का क्रिएशन को कितना प्यार करते हैं कितना संभालते हैं उससे ज़्यादा वो हमें आशीष देते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो ऑल ऑफ यू टेक ए डिसीजन दैट you will not destroy the nature. You will not do anything to make the nature destroy. So and one more thing, today itself all of you go to your garden and plant at least one plant in your garden, and every day you have to take care of it. When you see the flowers, when you see the fruits, how happy you will be, you know. So it is a small work that I am interested to you. Plant at least one small plant in your garden and take care of it. Okay children, I know you all are good children, you all are loving the nature. Okay, so once more you go through the lesson. At least 3 times you read the lesson again and again. Okay, the next class we will do the exercises. Okay students, wishing you all the blessings. Have a nice day.